about 10 years or 15 years to catch up. Maybe more than. Yan ang problema sa Pilipino. But do not also try to crucify the country. I don't like it. But tayo dito, Pilipino, magkaprangkahan na lang. Sabi nila, why is it that the Philippines, right after the war, we were second to Japan, then progressively went down to third, fourth, fifth, and we are now the seventh, about a notch higher than Bangladesh or look. The answer really does not need any serious study. Alam mo, God sometimes could not be really fair. Well, of course, life is never fair. But sabi nila, God is faithful. Well, I would go along with it. I have a God. But it is not the God of the priests and itong mga obispo na mga ulol. That despite now worldwide condemnation of the abuses of children, hanggang ngayon, pati si Pope is the center of a turmoil because of the so many thousands, including us sa Ateneo de Davao. And we were being fondled by priests while confessing. Pero sa amin, yung lang kami, pinaghipo-hipo. But these things happened 60s and until now, decades after decades, alam nila yung problema. And it's only because hindi naman but yung pedophilia. They should be smart enough to the shaft from the grain. Ayaw pagpasudlan ng maingon, ana. I have nothing against gay people. Wag ko'y kasuko des mga bayot. Bayot man ko ni adto. Bakla man ako. Mangita tagwapa para maulian. Yan ang ko. Yan ang away ko. And I have the books if you want. Napa mo'y libro. Kaning akong edikam tagalite ni mayor ni pamusilon mo ani. Well, I'm sure some of you, but it's getting to be harder to find now. I mean, the church. This book was, the introduction was Marites Vitog, famous Vitog journalist. The title of the book is Altar of Secrets. This contains all the abuses, lahat ng kabastusan. There's but I was the first to say it. But it was not my original also. I was just the first to say it. It came from the mouth of Father Ibasco. Yung NPA na pare, si Father Tison, Father Ibasco, who were captured in Mindanao. I was the one prosecuting him in court. I was a prosecutor then. And he joined me when they were released all by Cory Aquino. So, siya una nagsabi, the most hypocritical institution in the Philippines is the Catholic Church. There's an item there today, nakita ko sa ano. But dito yung lahat, ang number one dito yung paano tinago yung mga yung meron silang, they have an orphanage actually sa mga anak sa pare. Meron yan. They have an orphanage. Yung mga anak nila. This is one brave Filipino. Commentator ito sa CBCP. Patay na ngayon. But there's a book, if you can get it, The Popes, plural. The Popes. Basahin mo. This 10 times worse than, it is the chronicle of the narratives of Vatican. Sa to, itong Katoliko na ito, it will not survive. Lalo na pag dili na ko presidente, niya magwali ko. Just to, para mahibawaan sa mga tao. Time to adore God without the intervention in a I go to church because it is quiet, silent. But to listen to priests, homily, tanana, maniwala ka sa Kristan ba kanang offertory ba na? Is that how you do? Kanang kitadani mo mga goods ada, ang usang kwarta, bahinon pa na pare, ang kanang mga pineapple, mga saging, diretso na sa iyang pamilya. Oo na. Ayun yung pare, huwag lang tayo magbulay. Ayaw, do not be hypocrite. Kung saan inyong pare. Bakulod, ang pare nga to, naas konbento, ang iyang pamilya, naapo dito. Anak ka na. Tapos kung magsalita ang mga putang ina, kala mo sino. And despite worldwide now, everybody is trying to seek an opening para abrihan gyud tanan. And I will be glad to do it here in the Philippines. Buksan mo lahat. Kasi may biktima rin eh. Na, di ba sa Ateneo, sino taga-tawa dito ba? Di ba Friday communion confession? Automatic yan sa Ateneo. If you are from the Ateneo, Friday confession communion. Sa confession lang, bless me, Father, for I have sinned. And what is your sin? Well, it is standing up because you are funding the goddamn prick. Ayan. Muna sila pag yung extrajudicial killing. How many? 4,000? Really? Mura na. 4,000 extrajudicial killing. Ay, palagay natin 10,000. Putang ina, sino yung pinatay ko? Eh di puro kriminal. Itong mga kriminal ito, sinong pinagpapatay nito? Yan ang problema niya. O Duterte killed 4,000 without any particular reason. Where? What? How? When? Wala. How was he killed? What was the kind of weapon? Where was it? And what happened? Wala ba sa sinabi lang 4,000? Dito. Bata. Mas tagom. 2 years old. Girape og tulo. Kay dili man mo sulod ang ilang 2 years old. Nagpalit pag-bleed diya sa kuan, gilaslasan ang mga pare, tangina niyo. Kaya nakakawala ng respeto. Why a president should so be blatant and very bestial in his language? Because you ask for it. You,